I just had to show you how gorgeous this morning is. The sun seeping through the clouds and the trees and the water. Have a look at the water today. Have a look at the sky. Just a majestic beauty of nature, of Mother Nature, of God's creative nature. How awesome is that sky? Beautiful colours, light pale blue, a darker blue, there's greys, there's hints of other colours as well, oranges and yellows if you could see. Just absolutely magnificent this morning is. The stillness of the morning and being grateful to be alive. Being grateful to see a new day, regardless of my circumstances or anyone's circumstances, but to be able to be grateful and stand in that solace of gratitude, regardless of anyone's circumstances. But the beauty of what gratitude does, it changes the lens of what you see. Wayne Dyer says, when you look at the things, when you can change the way when you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. The beauty of gratitude. Being grateful, it's a choice, regardless of where your circumstances, but it's a choice to see it. I would rather see gratitude and change my mindsets every morning and be grateful and have gratitude in my day than being depressed about my circumstances. They will work themselves out. But I'd rather be rich in gratitude and take a look at that. Mother Nature's earth this morning, God's earth, telling us about being grateful. So I choose gratitude this morning, and every morning I want to stand in the presence of gratitude, be saturated by gratitude, immerse myself in gratitude, and choose gratitude in my day when I get up in the morning. And the more times I do it, I found that I'm already grateful just for getting up. Imagine if I keep at it, what I'll be and what it'll do. Are you grateful today? Even if it's raining, I'm grateful, regardless of my circumstances. Have a wonderful day.